My name is Ethan Hahn. I'm a machinist for V8 Speed and Restoration here in Redbud, Illinois. Today we are balancing the crankshaft for a 396 big block Chevy. It's out of a 1970 Chevelle SS. We're going to a bigger than stock bore, so that's a larger piston, naturally a heavier piston, and sometimes in those cases you have to add a little weight. In this case we actually had to remove quite a bit, about 60 grams from the front and the back of the crankshaft. I went in and started drilling. Start with a smaller diameter to make sure you're going to stay in one spot, stay centered on the counterweight, and work your way up to your final size, which in this case was 1 inch on both the front and the back of the crankshaft. As I'm getting down within 15 or 20 grams or so, I'd like take things nice and slow and just work my way down as close to zero as possible. I only had to remove from 2 spots on the front. They were right next to each other. On the back, I had to jump around a little bit, probably a quarter of the counterweight circumference. So on a performance rebuild, you're usually within tolerance if you're under 5 grams or so. If it was a all-out race engine, spinning 8,000 RPM all day, you want to get it as close to zero as possible, if not on zero. I prefer to get it as close to zero as possible no matter what I'm working on. Now that the rotating assembly is balanced, we're going to clean the crankshaft and make sure all debris is out of the oil passages, and we can proceed with assembling the short block.